Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Move-in ready. Quality built all brick 2-story home in desirable Columbia County. Hardwood flooring and foyer, great room, hallway, office/study/bedroom number 5 and powder room. Soaring 2-story foyer leads to huge great room with cathedral ceiling and fireplace with display mantle. New vinyl sliding door leads to fully fenced backyard with extra paver patio and mature trees offering shade and privacy. Modern kitchen features stainless steel electric appliances, including smooth top range, built-in microwave, dishwasher and side-by-side refrigerator. Breakfast bar for additional seating and eat-in kitchen area with large windows for natural light. Downstairs French doors off foyer lead to office/study/bedroom number 5. Downstairs powder room for guests. Huge downstairs owner's suite with walk-in closet and private bath featuring double sink vanity, garden tub, separate shower and private commode room. Upstairs bedroom 2, 3 and 4 are spacious with large closets. Upstairs full bathroom has shower/tub combination. 2 separate large walk-in attic storage areas. Covered front porch and fully landscaped yard. Sidewalks and streetlights throughout the community. New roof installed in 2018, new HVAC installed in 2017, new vinyl windows and sliding